Okay, so to begin with, we'll start with the question which I had told you to try it out as homework. Okay, so all these properties we had studied. Remember, all these properties are very, very important. Okay, because today we'll be using all those properties to prove something. Okay, so these were the questions which I had given you as homework questions, right? So I know some of you have got the answer. Those who have got the answer, you just cross check the answer. Those who have not got the answer, of if you have found something is difficult in this, you just look into the way how we'll solve this. Okay. So how to do this? As I told you earlier, we need to prove 3 sine inverse x is equal to sine inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. So as I told you earlier, the hint is what we have to do. Okay, so in ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು we have to show that it is equal to 3 sine inverse x. So what you'll give, let x is equal to sine theta, because we have to prove in terms of sine inverse x, 3 sine inverse x. So we'll give x is equal to sine theta, then theta is equal to sine inverse x. Okay, then you have to take the RHS. RHS is equal to sine inverse of, what is RHS? Write it. It is 3x minus 4x cube. Okay, then in place of x, we are taking it as x is equal to sine theta. We have to substitute it. So it is sine inverse of 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. Okay, x is equal to sine theta, so x cube is sine cube theta. So it is sine inverse of, what is this formula? What is the formula of sine 3x? What is the formula of sine 3x? 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x. Okay, the formula for sine 3x is 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x. So here you can see in place of x we have theta. So 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta is nothing but sine 3 theta. Okay, so we have sine inverse of sine x is equal to x. Okay, we have this also, sine inverse of sine x is equal to x. So here in place of x we have 3 theta. So you have to put it as 3 theta. But what is theta? Theta we had taken it as sine inverse x. So it is 3 into sine inverse x. So which is our LHS. So this is how you prove this particular problem. Okay, hope everyone have got the answer. Okay, those who have tried, you just check the answer. Those who have just, if you were stuck at some place, you just cross verify where you were wrong. Okay, okay, so moving on to the next question. Okay, this was the next question. 3 cos inverse x is equal to cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x. Okay, ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ you make it proper. Okay, so here what should be the substitution in this proof? What should be the substitution? Again we have to prove it is cos inverse x. So you have to take x is equal to cos theta. Okay, you have to take x is equal to cos theta. Then what is theta? Theta is equal to cos inverse x. Theta is equal to cos inverse x. Okay, then take the RHS. What is RHS? RHS is cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x. Okay, so RHS is cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x. So in place of x, substitute the value which we have considered, that is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Okay, so that is nothing but cos inverse of, what is the formula of cos? Yes, good Aishwarya, it is cos 3 theta. So cos 3x is 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. See, those who didn't study these formulas in the first year, no worries. ಇವಾಗ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ. Okay, according to the problems you study the formulas, because if you leave this chapter because this is something with inverse trigonometry formulas alla ide anta heli bitre, then you have to leave some 4 to 5 chapters related to this. Okay, that's why I'm taking this chapter very slowly. Okay, cos 3x is equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. So here we have in place of x it is theta. So according to this should be cos 3 theta. But we know that cos inverse of cos x is equal to x, correct? Provided x belongs to this the interval minus 1 comma 1. Okay, so cos inverse of x is x. Here also you can see x belongs to 1 by 2 comma 1. So that is cos 3 theta. Theta is nothing but 3 into cos inverse x. So that is our LHS. That is our LHS. I hope everyone have got the answer. See, there are 43 students and I can find only 10 of 12 members answering the questions or like replying to whatever I ask. Okay, fine. So today we'll solve some more problems. For that, I'll just make you revise certain things. Okay, I'll just make you revise certain things. So, what and all you should know. What is the formula for cos 2x? Okay, you should remember, because no day, what I'm doing today is the problems which we will discuss, those will need these problems. So just make a note or just study these formulas so that it will be helpful for you. Okay, cos 2x is cos square x minus sin square x. You see the difference. X 2x idaga x agate. So if it is x, here it becomes half of that, that is x by 2. Also it is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. Also it is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. 1 minus 2 sin square x. Similarly, you have to start one more formula is 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x. And then we have sin 2x. So sin 2x has two formulas, that is 2 sin x cos x. One more is, what is the one more formula? 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. Okay, 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. And we have that basic identities. What are the basic identities? Cos square x plus sin square x is equal to 1, and then 1 plus tan square x is equal to secant square x. 1 plus cot square x is equal to cosecant square x. 1 plus cot square x is equal to cosecant square x. Some other formulas are tan x plus y. What is the formula for tan x plus y? It is tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x tan y. 1 minus tan x tan y. One more, the rest of the formulas which you have studied in the inverse trigonometric functions, that is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. And you have to remember the formula for 2 tan inverse x as well. Okay, 2 tan inverse x. So that is equal to tan inverse of 2x divided by 1 minus x square. 1 minus x square. Okay, so these are the things which you should remember in order to solve today's problems. Okay, so we'll move on. Okay, shall we begin, students? Shall we begin? Yes. Okay, fine. So this is your first problem of today. That is today's session's first problem. You have to show that tan inverse half plus tan inverse 2 by 11 is equal to tan inverse of 3 by 4. So which formula you have to use, students? Which formula you have to use? You have to prove tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 2 by 11 is equal to tan inverse of 3 by 4. So which formula we have to use here? Which formula we have to use? tan inverse 1 by 2. So which formula? Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. We have to use the formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. So what is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y? It is tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. We'll use this formula. Okay, so here in place of tan inverse x we have tan inverse half. In place of tan inverse y we have tan inverse 2 by 11. So we have to show it is equal to tan inverse 3 by 4. Okay, so we'll start with the LHS and we'll proceed. So those who have understood, you can try the answer. Others, please observe. Okay, so I'll take the LHS. What is LHS? It is tan inverse half plus tan inverse 2 by 11. Okay, so here you have to apply this formula, that is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. You have to use this formula. So if I apply that formula, what happens? Tan inverse of, in place of x I have 1 by 2, in place of y I have 2 by 11. So it is 1 by 2 plus 2 by 11 divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 into 2 by 11. Okay, so can anyone give me the answer? Whether if you have got the answer, just cross check what is the fraction that you'll get, how to solve this. Solve the fractions. Okay, solve the fraction. So it is tan inverse of, so here you can see in the numerator we have two fractions with different denominators. So first we have to make it as a common denominator and then we have to proceed. So how to make it as a common denominator? Cross multiply the opposite denominator. So it is 1 into 11 divided by 2 into 11 plus 2 into 2 divided by 11 into 2 whole divided by 1 minus 2 by 22. Okay, what I have done, multiply, how to multiply two fractions? You have to multiply the numerator and you have to multiply the denominator. So that is tan inverse of, okay, tan inverse of 1 into 11 is 11 plus 2 into 2 is 4 divided by 22 whole divided by, again here we have something else, only 1 we have. 1 ಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ denominator ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ 1 ಇರೋದು. So subtract ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, the denominator should be same. So what we will do, it is 1 into 22 minus 2 divided by 22. So it is tan inverse of, okay, so 22 and 22 cancels, 11 plus 4 is 15 divided by 1 into 22 is 22, 22 minus 2 is 20. So we got this. Now we can cancel by 5 ones are, 5 threes are 15 and 5 fours are 20. So we got its answer as tan inverse 3 by 4, which is the required RHS. Okay, which is the required RHS. See, we have done nothing, only formula we have to remember, that is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. Aita? Then you have to substitute the values. Idra nantra, whatever, once you put the formula, rest of the things is the basic mathematics. That is, you have to add two fraction, multiply and simplify it. Only those things you have. Okay, so I hope this problem was clear. I hope this problem was clear, students. Okay, fine. So we'll continue. Will you do one more problem of the similar kind? Okay, so take down the next question. This is your next question. Prove the following, that is tan inverse 2 by 11 plus tan inverse Tan inverse 2 by 11 plus tan inverse 7 by 24 is equal to tan inverse 1 by 2. So those who have understood, you start doing it, and we'll see who will give me the who will give tell me that they have got the answer in the first. Okay. So others, again, if you have not follow it properly, whatever I am saying. So it is, again, you have to apply the same formula. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. Use the same formula here. In place of x, we now we have 2 by 11, and in place of y we have 7 by 24. So if you take the LHS, so it is tan inverse of 2 by 11 plus tan inverse of 7 by 24. Apply this formula, so you'll get tan inverse of x plus y. So 2 by 11 plus 7 by 24 divided by 1 minus, okay, divided by 1 minus, again x is 2 by 11 into 7 by 24. So now again you have to solve the fraction. See, fraction solve ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ LCM ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡುವಂತದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಗೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇನ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ 2 into 24 divided by 11 into 24 plus 7 into second fraction ಗೆ first fraction ಇದು denominator ಇಂದ multiply ಮಾಡಿ. So it is 7 into 11 divided by 24 into 11 whole divided by 1 minus 14 divided by 11 into 24. I'll keep this as it is because it is such a big number and somehow it will get cancelled. So it is tan inverse of, okay, 2 24s are is 48 plus 11 7s are is 77, correct? Divided by, we have now the common denominator 24 into 11. So that is 24 into 11 is 264 whole divided by 1 minus 14 by 264. So that is tan inverse of 48 plus 77 is 125 divided by 264. Again in the denominator ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 by 1 ಅಂತ ಇರೋದು. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಆಗ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗೆ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಇದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದ್ದು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ 1 into 264 by 1 into 264 minus 14 into, what is the denominator of the first fraction? It is 1. So divided by 264 into 1. So we'll be getting tan inverse of 125 by 264 divided by 1 into 264 is 264. 264 minus 14 is 250 divided by 264. So 264 get cancels. So you'll be remaining with tan inverse of 125 divided by 250. So 125 into 2 is 250. So if you cancel, you'll get the answer to be tan inverse of half. Okay, you'll get the answer to be tan inverse half. Okay, see, I want the answers from Bharat, Banu Prakash, Christopher, Jyoti DH, Harish, Jnanendra, KB Akshata, Kiran, Mehak Taj, Nisarga. Others are answering and these people are not even answering. Rakiba, Ramesh. Kindly change your name, okay? You have to rename it. Shashank, Simran, Shweta, Vaishali, Yashas, Zeba, Meherunisa. I want the answers from you people also. Okay, we'll move on to the next question. This is the next question. Try to solve students? Try to solve this. So here what you have to do, first you have to apply the formula for 2 tan inverse x. 2 tan inverse x. ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋದು tan inverse x plus tan inverse y ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, if it is in this form, then we can write it as tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. But here, in order to use that formula, we have a 2 extra, that is 2 tan inverse x, 2 tan inverse half. So first we have to convert 2 tan inverse half into tan inverse of something. So for that we have to use the formula for 2 tan inverse x. So 2 tan inverse x is tan inverse of 2x divided by 1 minus x square. Again ಆಯ್ತು 2 tan inverse ಇದ್ದದ್ದು tan inverse ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಅದು tan inverse ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ then we can use this formula. So if I apply that, what will become 2 tan inverse half is tan inverse of 2x. So 2 into half divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 square. So that is tan inverse of 2 into 1 by 2. 2 get cancelled. So 1 is remaining. 1 by 1 minus 1 by 4. So that is tan inverse of 1 by 1 minus 1 by 4. 1 ರಿಂದ ಕಾಲು ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿಯುವಂತದ್ದು? ಮುಕ್ಕಾಲು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? So 3 by 4 is remaining. So 1 by 3 by 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So we'll get tan inverse 4 by 3. Tan inverse 4 by 3. ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಗೆ, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. So that is how 2 tan inverse half can be replaced by tan inverse of 4 by 3. Okay, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ? In order to use this formula, first I have to reduce 2 tan inverse into tan inverse of something. That's why I have used this formula. So when I used that formula, I got the answer to be tan inverse of 4 by 3. Okay, so now your LHS can be written as, this is LHS, can be written as, what was the LHS? 2 tan inverse half plus tan inverse of 1 by 7. So since 2 tan inverse half is reduced into tan inverse of 4 by 3 plus tan inverse of 1 by 7. Now you can apply the formula. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. So if you apply that, you'll get it as tan inverse of 4 by 3 plus 1 by 7 divided by 1 minus 4 by 3 into 1 by 7. So you'll get the answer. I hope you have got the answer. Okay. So what happens to the fraction? Tan inverse of numerator ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Numerator ನ fraction ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? What will be the fraction of in the numerator? What is the fraction in the numerator? Becomes 4 by 3 plus 1 by 7 and answer ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು ನಿಮಗೆ? 4 by 3 plus 1 by 7. What is the answer that you have got? What is the answer that you have got? 31 by 21. Good, Sahana. So ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಅವಾಗ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗೆ 4 into 7 by 3 into 7 plus 1 into 3 by 7 into 3. So 4 sevens are 28 divided by 21 plus 3 by 21. Now since the denominators are same, we can add the numerator. So it is 31 by 21. So numerator is 31 by 21 divided by 1 minus 4 by 21. So what is the answer of 1 minus 4 by 21? What is the answer of 1 minus 4 by 21? 17 by 21. Good students. So it is tan inverse of 31 by 21 divided by 17 by 21. So 21 get cancels. So you'll get tan inverse of 31 by 17 as the answer. Tan inverse of 31 by 17 as the answer. Okay. So can we move to the next question? Can we move to the next question? Good, Rakiba. Okay. Yeah. So we'll move on to the next question. ಏನಿಲ್ಲ fractions ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು you should be very clear with the fractions. Okay. This is your next question. Write cot inverse of 1 by square root of x square minus 1 where x is greater than 1 in the simplest form. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗಿದೆ x square minus 1 ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತೆಗೆದು ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ cot inverse x ಅಥವಾ sin inverse x ಅಥವಾ tan inverse x ಆ ರೀತಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ಸೊ we have to convert it into a simpler form. Okay. So how to do this? ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡುವಂತದ್ದು ಇದನ್ನು? How to go about this? See, one thing we know about cot inverse is if we have cot inverse of cot x ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ x ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? If we have cot inverse of cot x, then we can write it as equal to x. But here, instead of cot of something, we have 1 by square root of x square minus 1. Okay, instead of cot of something anta irbekadalli enide namige iga now it is 1 by square root of x square minus 1. So somehow if I get cot over here illi cot of something anta heli bandre ಆ something annu answer agi baribodu. But cot anta sigbekandre illi 1 by, so we have 1 by this something should be equal to cot. Correct? 1 by something should be equal to cot. What is the reciprocal of cot? What is the reciprocal of cot, students? What is the reciprocal of cot? It is tan. Good. So, hege barbek nanige answer? Good. Okay. So, reciprocal of cot is tan. So, I should get here. What should I get? I should get tan of something. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ tan of something ಅಂತ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಇರುವ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಐ ಯೂಸ್? ಏನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಾನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಹೋಗಿ ನನಗೆ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಏನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು ನಾನು? ವಾಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಐ ಗಿವ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್? What value can I give for x, students? Okay, you people are guessing, but whatever you are guessing is not right. Okay, if I put, okay, first one ನಾನು explain ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, second one ಗೆ ನೀವು substitution ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. So if I put x is equal to secant theta, okay, if I put x is equal to secant theta, then what is theta? Theta is secant inverse x. Okay, then theta is equal to secant inverse x. Now you consider the denominator. Denominator alli enide square root of x square minus 1 anta ide. So x andre secant theta anta tagondidini. So it is secant square theta minus 1. So what is secant square theta minus 1? What is secant square theta minus 1? What is secant square theta minus 1? What is 1 plus tan square theta? What is 1 plus tan square theta? What is 1 plus tan square theta? Students, this is a basic identity. It is secant square theta. Okay, it is secant square theta. Now I am asking, what is secant square theta minus 1? What is secant square theta minus 1? What is secant square theta minus 1? It is tan square theta. Good symbol. So it is tan square theta. So square and square root get cancels. So what will be remaining? Will be remaining with tan theta. Artha aitha? Nan x andre secant theta anta kotte. So theta andre secant inverse x aitu. So I've considered only the denominator. Denominator alli enide square root of x square minus 1 anta ide. So that is square root of secant square theta minus 1. By using the basic identity, that is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. From that I got secant square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. So square square get cancels. So we'll be remaining with tan theta. Now if you take your question, that is cot inverse of 1 by square root of x square minus 1 is equal to cot inverse of 1 by, what is square root of x square minus 1? It is tan theta. So it is 1 by tan theta. So what is 1 by tan theta? It is cot inverse of, what is 1 by tan theta? It is cot theta. So cot inverse of cot theta, which is theta. But what is theta? Theta is secant inverse x. So from this complicated form, we have reduced it into a simplified form, that is secant inverse x. Now, I can see the question, why you have taken secant theta. ಯಾಕೆ secant theta ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ. Why I have taken secant theta? Because ನಾನು ಆವಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ನನಗೆ cot inverse of cot x ಅಂತ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? cot inverse of cot ಅಂತ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನು ಬರಿಬಹುದು. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಿದೆ 1 by ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 1 by ಅಂತ ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ cot ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ tan ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ tan ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ x square minus 1 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಪುಟ್ x is equal to secant theta, ಆಗ ಅದು ನನಗೆ tan ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ವೇ. ಹೇಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ವರ್ಕ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ನನ್ನ ವರ್ಕ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಟ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಟ್ ಅಂತ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ಕಾಟ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 by tan ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ tan ಇರುವ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ x square minus 1 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ x square ಗೆ ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ tan ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ x ಗೆ ನಾನು secant ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ secant square minus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ tan square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ತೆಗೆದಾಗ tan ಬರ್ತದೆ. So this is how you solve the question. Okay, don't worry, we'll solve similar questions, then it will be easy for you. Okay, we'll solve one more question. Okay, this is something simple. Okay, you have to prove that tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of 2x divided by 1 minus x square is equal to tan inverse of 3x minus x cube divided by 1 minus 3x square. So what should we do? I'll give the hint and you can take this as homework. Okay, in the RHS, okay, before starting with RHS, I'll take x is equal to tan theta. Okay, x is equal to tan theta and theta is equal to tan inverse x. Okay, I'll take x is equal to tan theta and theta is equal to tan inverse x. So now if you take the RHS, if you start with the RHS, so we'll get tan inverse of 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So what is this formula? This is the expansion of, okay, what I have done is, your question is tan inverse of x plus tan inverse 2x divided by 1 minus x square should be tan inverse of 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square. Okay, so if you see the right hand side, ನನಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, tan inverse of tan ಅಂತ ಬರಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಬಟ್ if you see this, you can remember some formula. Okay, that is nothing but of tan 3x. Okay, tan 3x is 3 tan x minus tan cube x divided by 1 minus 3 tan square x. Okay, so I have taken x is equal to tan theta. So now my RHS is reduced to tan inverse of, this is nothing but the formula for tan 3x. Okay, so that becomes 3 theta. Okay, 3 theta. So, but what is theta? Theta is 3 tan inverse x. Theta is 3 tan inverse x. Now I have 3 tan inverse x. So how can I do this? I'll write this as tan inverse x plus 2 tan inverse x. Correct? Do you agree with me? 3 tan inverse x annu nanu tan inverse x plus 2 tan inverse x anta bariboda? Can I write it in that form? Yes, because tan inverse x plus 2 tan inverse x is 3 tan inverse x. Okay. So now write tan inverse x as it is because we need tan inverse x. Namige LHS alli tan inverse x anta term ide. So we keep it as it is. But the one more term is tan inverse 2x divided by 1 minus x square. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೇನಿದೆ 2 tan inverse x ಇದೆ. So how to convert it into this form? What is the formula for 2 tan inverse x? What is the formula for 2 tan inverse x, students? The formula for 2 tan inverse x. So that is tan inverse of 2x divided by 1 minus x square. The formula for 2 tan inverse x is tan inverse of 2x divided by 1 minus x square. So which is our required LHS. So which is our required LHS. This is how we proved this. Okay, this is how we prove this. Okay, I will repeat the substitution. I have taken x is equal to tan theta, and from RHS I have started. So it becomes 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta, which is the formula of tan 3x. Okay, then I have split it. 3 tan inverse x, I have split it into two parts as tan inverse x plus 2 tan inverse x. So 2 tan inverse x, I have substituted the formula. Okay. I want you to solve this question. Take a screenshot of this. This is a simple question. I want the value of this question in the next class. Okay. Find the value of cos of secant inverse x plus cosecant of secant inverse x. This is cosecant of secant inverse x. The answer is in the things which you have studied in the properties. Okay. I hope you have taken the screenshot. Okay, students.